Oscar here. Today I'm going to continue with the series of the best accessories for the Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro. And on this second part, I'm going to focus on the DJI RC remote control. So I have the DJI RC here, and if you bought the Mini 3 or the Mini 3 Pro or the DJI Mavic 3 or the Mavic 3 Classic, hopefully you bought the drone with this type of remote control right here, which I think it is the best option. And the reason I think it's the best option is because you don't have to put your phone, turn on the phone. So pretty much you have a screen and you get to start flying your drone right away. So here's the RC, and today I'm going to focus only on 3, okay? So the best option or accessory that you can get is, number 1, invest on this lanyard. So we have the lanyard here, since it's much easier on your head and neck, you can put it around you. And I have this DJI lanyard here. See? Okay, so I have it right here. Once again, I'm gonna put the link below so you guys can get it and buy it. So this would be one of the best options, and it's to rest the remote on your neck, and it's much easier for you to use. The second accessory that I do recommend is the screen protector. You want to protect the screen of the remote control. So here I have, let's see if I can open it here. I have a 2-pack screen protector. Here is a 2-pack which fits perfectly on the remote control. It protects the screen from scratches and so on. So that is the option number 2, or the second best accessory. Now the list is, on my opinion, you guys may have different choices or opinions, but these are my recommendations, okay? And the next best accessory is what I have here. The hood is a plastic hood, so it has 2 purposes. And you guys can see it right here better. So this hood, the first thing is that when you are outside, it protects from the glare of the sun, so you can actually see the screen much better. The screen goes up to 700 nits, so it's not going to be as bright as the RC Pro, but still, if you have the hood, it's going to protect from the glare, so you can go ahead and see the screen much better. And the same hood, once you're going to store the remote, all you have to do is fold it and it goes in your bag right away. Not only that, so this is how it looks once it's folded. Okay, so it looks this way. But not only that, you don't have to take the sticks off. You can leave them on, and you can go ahead and close it, and it protects the screen, it protects the sticks, the thumbsticks, and this is how it looks from the rear part of it. So those are the 3 options or accessories that I'm going to recommend on this part. And as always, I'm going to give one of them away, okay? So here are the rules. The rules are, number 1, click like. Once I reach 100 likes, then I'm going to go ahead and send the accessory to a random subscriber. So it's going to be click like, subscribe, and put a comment. What do you plan to do with the accessory? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick a random subscriber once I have reached 100 likes on this video. Okay, and the accessory that I'm going to send you guys is going to be this right here, the hood protector for the RC remote. Okay, and if you want to go ahead and get one for yourself, if you want to buy it, go ahead and click on the link below and you can go ahead and find them at a very affordable price. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comments. And once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day.